In today's video, we explore the powerful tools behind modern-day forestry, from machines built to dominate rugged terrain, to precision cutting systems turning raw timber into beautiful boards. This is a journey into the heart of wood processing. The video offers an on-the-ground look at the John Deere 640H skidder at work in a forested logging site, likely somewhere in Latin America given the context of the uploader. The machine is shown operating in a rugged, uneven terrain, a typical environment for professional forestry work. At the beginning of the video, the John Deere 640H is seen navigating through the woods, approaching large felled logs that have been pre-cut and staged for transport. The skidder uses its powerful rear grapple system to grip and lift the heavy timber with ease. The operator demonstrates skillful control, maneuvering the machine to position it optimally for each pickup and hauling cycle. As the video progresses, viewers get a clear sense of the skidder's impressive pulling power as it drags multiple massive logs at once across slopes and loose soil. The machine's robust build, four-wheel drive, and articulated steering system allow it to stay agile in tight forest paths while maintaining stability and traction. The John Deere 640H is a mid-sized, purpose-built forestry machine designed for log skidding. This particular video shows just how essential and efficient such machinery is in modern logging operations. Without it, transporting heavy logs from the felling site to the roadside or loading area would be slow and labor-intensive. The sounds of the engine, the crunching of logs, and the occasional voice commentary in Spanish add authenticity to the scene, making the viewer feel as though they are right there in the woods alongside the machine. Overall, the video serves both as a demonstration of the raw power and reliability of the John Deere 640H and a snapshot of real-world forestry operations where time, terrain, and technique are crucial. After watching the John Deere skidder in action, let's shift our focus to another part of the process, sawmilling. In the next segment, we'll see how a portable system like the Logasol F2 turns a giant aspen log into wide, usable boards. In this segment, we're stepping into the world of portable sawmilling, where craftsmanship meets ingenuity. The system on display is the Logasol F2 chainsaw mill, paired with the Stihl MS 661, a high-performance saw known for its durability and cutting power. Together, they take on a large aspen log, thick, heavy, and full of character. The process begins with careful preparation. The operator manually loads the log onto the Logasol's sturdy aluminum rail system. This frame isn't just a support, it's the backbone of the entire milling operation. It ensures the log is straight, secure, and properly aligned for accurate cuts. Before any cutting starts, the chainsaw is mounted onto a carriage that glides along the rails. This allows the operator to move the saw smoothly across the surface of the log, maintaining a consistent depth and angle. It's a clever design that transforms a handheld chainsaw into a precision milling tool. Now comes the real work. The Stihl MS 661 roars to life, and the operator begins the first pass. This cut, called the slabbing cut, removes the rounded top layer of the log to create a flat reference surface. It's a slow, controlled motion, pushing the saw along the rail while managing its weight, vibration, and resistance through the dense wood. Once the first flat surface is established, the operator adjusts the rail height and begins making full-width boards. Each cut peels off a slice of the aspen log, revealing beautiful grain patterns and natural textures hidden inside. These live edge boards are especially popular in custom furniture, as they preserve the organic curves of the tree's original form. Despite the saw's raw power, the operator's control is everything. He adjusts the feed rate by feel, not too fast to avoid binding the chain, not too slow to waste time or overheat the saw. It's a rhythm that comes with experience and respect for the material. What stands out in this video is how precise and clean the cuts are. There's very little tear out, no unevenness, and minimal waste. The Logasaw system allows one person to do what would normally require a full sawmill. And because it's portable, it can be set up right where the trees are harvested, eliminating the need to haul logs long distances. The wide boards produced in this video are thick, flat, and structurally sound. They could be used for countertops, table slabs, shelves, or even sculptural projects. And more importantly, they retain the identity of the tree they came from, a living thing turned into something lasting and beautiful. This kind of sawmilling is more than just processing wood. It's a dialogue between person and tree, tool and technique. It requires patience, precision, and passion. In an era dominated by industrial speed and automation, this approach feels refreshingly human. You see the work, you hear the saw, and you feel the satisfaction of turning a raw log into something usable. with nothing more than a chainsaw, a rail, and 2 steady hands. From powerful skidders hauling massive logs through rough terrain, to precision chainsaw milling that transforms raw timber into stunning wide boards, today's video has shown us 2 very different but equally important parts of the forestry process. Whether it's brute force or careful craftsmanship, each step plays a role in turning trees into usable wood. It's a journey that starts in the forest and ends in the hands of makers. Thanks for watching and being part of that journey with us. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with friends who love machines, woodworking, or the great outdoors. And if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next one. See you in the next video.